Looks good. Just waiting for another 4 divers and then we go. probably a little bit too windy, but 2 dives done. And first dive we did Manta Point, as you understood. The second dive was Crystal Bay, 21-degree water, perfect for Mola Mola, but there was no Mola Mola today. I'm not sure if there anyone else saw it or we were not that lucky. Anyway, so all the groups which were in the water together with us, they also didn't see it. So now heading back to Padang Bai, then another 1.5 hours and we will be in Amen. Second try to film with the Insta360 camera underwater. How did you like it? I'm pretty impressed of outcome. I still didn't figure out how to film with it. Camera like this, I mean filming from top down, it's not an option because everything becomes really dark. That's what you saw in the footage with that manta ray. I was on the same level, but since I had this 3-meter stick, so then I put above the manta ray and it was filming downwards, really dark, and a lot of this rainbow. That's what I told you in the previous episode. I don't know how to feel about new footage, but it's a new transitions, colors, angles and dynamic for me. Otherwise it became super monotone and boring. It takes away more time to edit it all, because first of all I have to choose angles, then I'm drop into the Final Cut Pro and then I start editing. So basically if we take this particular episode, so then first of all I spend about 2 hours just to find the right angles on Insta360 Studio software, and then I just started editing in my Final Cut Pro. It's still not really clear for myself how to really hold the camera. We'll work on a new filming style. Thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, and see you on the next one. Bye.